Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've had this lovely Mercedes. It's the new shape E220 diesel AMG coming to stock. It's a lovely looking car, fabulous condition, high spec. So you've got front part distance control, finished in black metallic, absolutely unmarked, diamond cut black silver alloy wheels. Bodywork is in superb condition, as you can see, absolutely gleaming. Rear park distance control. Boot area is huge. Extra cover for the load mat there, and it's got the luggage compartment cover there. Electric tailgate. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. Half leather Alcantara white stitched piping trim. All this piano wood interior. Really does not look like the age or mileage. Heated seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, beautiful interior on the seats. Inside the car, just starting up. 929 miles. It's paddle shift on the gearbox. Computers, this one operates that screen and this one operates that screen there for you. Armrest with USBs in there. Got air conditioning, media pack, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and the iDrive system's all there for you as well. Again, a lovely piano wood finishing, heated seats for the passenger side there. It's got cruise control as well. Really lovely specification. Let's just put the satellite navigation on for you here. It's got the satellite navigation. That'll all come to screen. There you go. The reverse camera with park distance control perimeter. It's got ambient lighting on this car as well. Vehicle settings, parking pilot, assistance, lights, consumption, all big computer systems here. Interior lighting, exterior lighting, ambient lighting. It's also got Bluetooth for Apple CarPlay. DJH offers full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.